First on the list is the Walther PPQ M2. It has interchangeable back straps, an excellent trigger, and excellent ergonomics. It also has plastic white 3-dot sights and a Picatinny rail. Second on the list is the Smith & Wesson M&P 2.0. It comes with interchangeable grip inserts, and you have the option of getting steel 3-dot sights. It also has a Picatinny rail. Coming in third place is the PSA Dagger. It is based off of a Glock but has the following upgrades: steel 3-dot sights, better grip and grip angle, and steel recoil guide rod. It is very affordable at around $300. The only downsides are limited holster compatibility and the Glock rail. Glock accessory rails require a different mount than the more common Picatinny rail. In fourth place is the Sig Sauer P320 Nitron. Its main selling point is the fact that it's modular, which means you can change the frame easily. It comes with steel 3-dot sights and Picatinny rail. In fifth place is the G19 Glock Gen 5. It has plastic U-notch sights, interchangeable back straps, and a Glock rail. The real selling point here is the large selection of parts and holsters made for Glocks. And here we have reviews for each pistol from The Truth About Guns, Pew Pew Tactical, and Gun University.